We was here last night just to change a light bulb, smoke alarm bulb. We changed it and we walked out. Now he's saying the boiler hasn't run since. So let's see what happens. There's the building right here. Mm-hmm.
They call the phone because
He's not there.
it's not.
Well, can I go downstairs and see?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Yeah, if you want. You know?
Yep. I was here yesterday. Oh, it's burning. The boiler does not want to turn off. Hey, bro. Why you say cycle off?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
All right.
So I can help you now.
Please.
Now I know what's going on here.
Because I see that it ran.
We came here last night, right?
Yeah.
You just changed that to the...
I came here.
Fine.
Yeah.
You were here. Anyway, after you left, it never came on.
Okay.
So I came here this morning. There was no sign of life for this one. For some
Yeah,
reason.
it looks like that.
What happened, we turned this on.
Okay.
Your guys came here a month ago or so and put that new pipe over there. You see this new pipe?
Okay.
In the meantime, they turned everything off here.
He said he's losing water. The only way to know is if you had like if your pumps were pumping, like the sub pump, because I would think a valve is open, but
So do you want me to turn everything back on here?
yeah, well, put it back to normal. Give me.
It's going to come through. Water number 2.
Ah,
You okay?
okay.
Yeah, you okay?
All right, good to go.
It was built in 1912. Back then, you only had townhouses and small houses. This is the first residential building on Fifth Avenue. It's a
So what was all that? Like all those rooms? Those are all storage rooms.
storage rooms.
Wow.
You have the wine rooms.
Wow.
People have, each and everyone has a wine bin. Someone has wine, so it's just an amazing building.
Wow.
Yeah. All of these are storage rooms.
That's crazy. It looks like one of those like buildings from back in the days.
Amazing, huh?
Gangs of New York kind of thing.
Yeah. Right.
Thank you.
Okay, my
Appreciate
friend,
you.
listen.
Thank
Good
you.
to see you, man. Thank you very much for stopping.
Appreciate it.
by.
No problem. Thank you.